what is going on YouTube? It's Supreme Guru here and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be looking at the lovely OnePlus 5T, but the same rules will apply to the OnePlus 5. So I'm just going to be showing you some tips and tricks from the settings. If this is something that you're interested in, then stay tuned to this video. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to hit up our settings. And I'm going to be looking at the buttons section in this video. Now, in my last video, I went through all of the gestures and basically told you what you could do with the gestures. So this time around, we're going to be looking at the buttons. So let's go in. So basically, I'm going to go through all of these settings and explain them to you. So let's start at the very top. So the first one is swap buttons. So swap the order of recent and back buttons. So basically what that means, if you can see at the bottom of my phone here, my back button is on the left hand side and my recent apps button is on the left hand side, okay? If I hit the swap buttons option, then basically it puts it the other way around. So my back button is on the right hand side and my recent app buttons is on the left hand side. Now this is quite a good thing that OnePlus put in, because a lot of people that are coming from Samsung are used to their back buttons being on the right hand side, and a lot of people that are coming from the likes of Sony, basically their back button is on the left hand side. So it's a nice little feature that they have put on. Okay, so that's the top one. The next one is hide the navigation bar. So I have this switched on, so you can see here at the very top that my navigation bar is showing up. However, whenever I come out of my main menu, you can see that it basically disappears. I just like this for a cleaner look. I can still get to my recent, my navigation bar just by a swipe down. Don't know why that's doing that. Oh yeah, I know why. Because I'm hitting my little widget. So basically, yeah, if you swipe down, then you can see my navigation bar still there. Again, this is up to yourselves whether you want to hide the navigation bar or just keep it constantly showing so you can see your time and your battery and whatnot. Okay, so that's the second one. The next one is press the power button twice for the camera. So basically, if I press my power button on the right hand side twice, it will open the camera. So let's do that. 1, 2. Oh, it's giving me an option what camera. Let's just hit the normal camera. So we'll do that again. 1, 2. There we go, and that brings up the camera. Now this is quite handy that whenever your screen is locked, so you can see my screen is locked here, I can basically hit this, snap a picture of whatever it is that I want to take a picture of, and my phone is still locked. So quite handy to do that. Okay, so that was the third option there. Now let's go to the home button. So we have different actions that we can use whenever we press the home button. So basically for the top one, I put this for the search assistant, but you can see here that you can give it no action at all, or you can open and close the menu. Search assistant, which is Google, turn off the screen, voice search, open shelf, open and close notification center, and open and close split screen. So if I long press, there you can see that my search assistant has come up, which is very handy. And let's just go back there. If we double tap, I've got it to voice search, so I'm gonna double tap, and there you can see that it's at the voice search. So again, it's another handy option that OnePlus allow you to sort of basically fiddle around with the settings. You know, you can do a lot more on the likes of the OnePlus than what you can do on Samsung and so on. You can customize it to your liking. So the next option here then is the recents button. So if I long press my recent apps button, it basically gives me split screen, which again you can chop and change what you want it to do. And I have no option here for double tapping the recents button, but again you can select whatever you want to do there. Okay, so that was that. And then the last option that we have here is your back button. So again, you basically can get it to do different things. So if you long press it, you can get it to open and close your notification center. There you can see there. If we go to blah 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 blah, open and close, well, let's get it to turn off screen. If I double tap 1, 2, there you go, it's turned off the screen. So that was just a quick video going through the OnePlus 5T settings for some tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful in any way whatsoever, then be sure to give it a wee thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down and didn't find it helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. I aim on getting a lot more videos out this year. So yeah, you guys have been tuning into Supreme Guru. Thanks for watching. Peace.